How to scan documents directly on your iPhone without installing any extra apps. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Files app to scan and save documents. First, open the Files app on your iPhone. Next, tap Browse at the bottom of the screen. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select Scan Documents. Your iPhone's camera will open automatically. Place the document in front of the camera, and the Files app will detect and scan it automatically. You can also press the shutter button manually if needed. After scanning, you can adjust the corners of the document to make sure everything is captured correctly. If you have multiple pages, tap Keep Scan and continue scanning the remaining pages. Once you're finished, tap Save. Choose the folder where you want to store the scanned document, then tap Save again. Your document will be saved as a PDF file inside the Files app, making it easy to view, share, or organize later. On some iPhone models or iOS versions, the menu layout may look slightly different, but the Scan Documents option is usually found in the same place. And that's how to scan documents using the Files app on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and guides.